Good morning, everyone. Happy Friday. Today, 4th of August. Let's go through the pairs and see what we have. USD JPY, as I mentioned yesterday, I was taken out at break even, and yesterday looks like price is reversed. So I'm gonna follow this down. The momentum looks to be bearish. So I'm gonna follow this down due to the bearish momentum closing yesterday for a move down around here. But I'm not sure it's gonna reach all the way here, so I would prefer maybe somewhere around this level if possible. Let's see if we can make it. Yeah, that seems reasonable. Just needs to spike down a little bit. 0.01 lot, same as always at the market, and that's USD JPY. USD CAD still not moving. Yesterday didn't move, still hasn't moved. We're still in the green technically, so no need to touch this. We're in the red with this one. So now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put my alert here near break even. So if it comes back up for a week, touch the alert. I'm gonna either close this break even, or if the momentum's really bullish, then I'm gonna let it run through towards up. But for now, leave it be. AUD CHF in the green, leave it be. AUD New Zealand, squeezed in between these two levels. I don't like it. Leave it be. AUD CAD, we're in red. Same principle. Leave the alert. Wait for the price to push down, and then manage the trade. Manage the loss. Hopefully we can close break even. AUD USD, same thing. It's already come down here once. We missed a chance this morning to close at break even. I'm gonna wait to see more. The momentum is still very bearish, and yesterday's bullish candle is not much of a bullish candle, more like a pause. So what I'm gonna do, I think I'll put an alert here just so I can monitor this, because I don't wanna watch the prices all day. I'll put another one down below. AUD JPY in green, New Zealand CAD in green, New Zealand CHF, good place to enter. We'll just enter here 1 to 1. Just follow the momentum down. Hopefully the market 0.01 lots. New Zealand USD, nothing yet. New Zealand JPY hasn't reached TP. Euro pound, looks like we had a winner yesterday. Yes, just by a week. Now I don't know. Today that week shows a bearish pressure, but it closed bullish, so I'm guessing highly two-sided. Leave it be. Euro CHF hasn't reached TP. Euro JPY coming back down. I kind of like this for a sell. Looks like a double top kind of thing. It might go up from here, who knows? It might come down, who knows? It's just like that. So put a sell here. Just put the stop loss just above the top, just to give it more room to maneuver. Markets be down here. That's Euro JPY. Hopefully pushes down, continues the momentum from previous 2 days. Euro AUD, it's a pause, might come with a pullback, it might not. Don't really like to make decision on pauses. It can go either way. I mean, look at this, price goes up, pauses, continues further up. Same here, price pauses, continues further down. It can really go any other way. Pauses, reverses. I think I'll leave this be for now, but I'm gonna monitor it. If it shoots down way too low, like halfway in between here, I might have to jump in early and close this before it can cause more damage. And I'm just gonna put another one up here. So if I see a bullish change in behavior, yeah, we'll just monitor this. That was Euro AUD. Euro USD, similar situation. Euro New Zealand. Nothing here. Yeah, I'm not buying this. At least based on the yesterday's candle, it's not very strong. Might be wanting to bounce. If it breaks, then we can enter next day, next week. Euro CAD. Now, the pound yen looks good for a sell. We're just gonna ignore this crap. That's the total completely bearish momentum here. We do a sell, 0.01 lot. Okay, so that's in a sell. We have a lot of sells going on. Looks like a few buys, mostly sells. Interesting. So the entire market is mostly bearish. Pound AUD. Oh, yeah, that doesn't look good. Just gonna put alerts here. If it comes back up, we close that. If it falls down through, then we're out. It is what it is. Pound USD. We had a winner. Is it? I think so. Yeah, that was a winner. But now, might continue pushing down. I don't know. Might push back up. I don't know. Yeah, I'm thinking too much. I mean, I have a new rule for the weak rejections, and this seems to fit the criteria perfectly. There's no reason to hesitate. It's not like I can tell what the future holds. Yeah, so might as well take all the opportunities. Some wins, some loses, and hopefully we end up with bigger wins and more wins than losses. Alright, so that was a buy on pound USD. Looks like it's gonna bounce. Pound CAD, nothing here. Price is highly squeezed. Just gonna remove this and just gonna simply put kind of score around here. So unless it moves out of this boundary, we're not touching it. Pound CHF, what a shame. It stopped me out, then it moved. Now I don't know. Just get rid of this as well. And then we're stuck down here. It is bearish though. Yeah, I think I'm gonna sell this. I mean, the candle is very strongly bearish. Just don't know if we can catch up to the. No, I don't feel comfortable there. A little bit higher. Last thing I won't get taken out by a wick like happened there. Those are the losses that hurts the most. If it goes against me, well, I'm wrong. You know, I'm not God. Don't expect to be right all the time. Can't predict future. But when it takes me out on a week like that, I'm like, damn, I should have considered that a little bit better. Because it really depends on me where I place my stop loss. That's responsibilities on me. I can't tell where market goes, but where I do put my stop loss and take profit, which is part of the risk management. Risk management is in my control. Pound CHF is a sell. Pound New Zealand. Nope. No, I'm not getting into this crazy. CAD CHF. Sell. Go with a sell. Simple. Down to these lows. I'm gonna put this a little bit further above the candle. Reason being, right now it's looking bearish. Might reverse, but it's gonna do a wick. Don't wanna be taken. That was CAD CHF, CAD JPY, same kind of thing. Maybe a little bit smaller. Yeah, about this much should be good enough. Alright, 0.01 lots. And the sell on CAD JPY. CHF JPY, not really. I don't see a momentum here. Alright guys, thanks for listening. That's it for today. And have a good weekend. I'll see you all on Monday.